Hey everybody, it's Lashes Lane and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are doing a different style of video for my channel. I am showing you what I am bringing to Epic Universe. I'm so excited. I am going to Epic Universe with my mom. It's going to be my first full day in the park. I got to go for a team member preview with my friend Chad. Here's a picture. And let me tell you, this place is absolutely epic. It truly exceeds expectations. It's hard to put into words. It's just incredible. So I can't wait for my mom to see it for the first time, and I can't wait to have my first full day there. It's gonna be awesome. So I've lived in Orlando for about 17, 18 years. I've worked in all of the major theme parks, and I definitely have some tips on how to have a great day, especially if you are spending the whole day there. I'm going to show you guys what's in my bag, and then I'm going to share some helpful tips at the end. I want to show you guys, it's supposed to be 91 degrees tomorrow in Orlando, Florida. Holy crap, I like hot weather, but for all day in a theme park, you gotta prepare. I picked these up at Five Below. I have to open them up and charge them, but they're little neck fans and they're adjustable. I am so excited. I got two, one for me, one for my mom. I think they are going to come in handy tomorrow. Now, we are not staying at the hotels. I believe that it's early entry for hotels. We are just regular ticket holders. So we get into the park at 11. So not a super early morning. Coverage with a spray. So this is the Neutrogena Sport. Whatever your favorite is, bring it. Don't just put your sunscreen on and then go to the park. You're gonna need to reapply, especially if you were there all day. So this is 70, SPF 70. Yeah, got this. This is gonna be good. I don't wanna burn. No one wants to be burnt at a theme park. I also have protein bars. So these are from Sam's Club. They are the IQ bars. I am obsessed with them right now. They're sweetened with stevia. They have MCTs in them and magnesium, vitamin E, lion's mane. Like, these are really good. 12 grams of protein. I'm bringing a couple of these. We are going to be eating a lot tomorrow. So I'm not like bringing like a snack bag or anything. We will definitely be eating. And you will see it on the vlog. So again, make sure you're subscribed. I have ponchos. Guys, don't buy ponchos at the theme parks. These were $2.25 at Five Below. Get some on Amazon, get some on Five Below. If you don't like a poncho that's clear and generic looking, get a cute one. They have cute ones on the internet. Get your ponchos before you go in the park. Even if it's not supposed to rain, it is Florida. You never know. So ponchos. Hand sanitizer, because people are gross. People are gross. That's all. I have theme park stories from being a former theme park employee. If you want them, I can make another video. Comment below. I have two different pairs of sunglasses because you never know. Your sunglasses could break. I buy cheap sunglasses. So I have my cute, huge, round sunglasses from the Dollar Tree. See, I don't spend money on sunglasses. And then these little devil ones from Five Below, two of my favorites. I have pads. You never know. You never know. Be prepared. Be prepared. Be prepared. I have my wallet. I'm going to be using Apple Pay or mobile ordering, which we will talk about in a second, but I have my wallet. I also have a flyer for my show because I want to take a picture of my hands holding it and then Victoria Frankenstein, the Frankenstein castle in the background. I feel like that would be so cool for the gram. Because I'm doing a Monster Mash show for Bad Witch Burlesque, and I'm like the Bride of Frankenstein in the front, so I just feel like that would be so cool for the gram. Obviously, the show is not happening at Universal Studios, but like, it's just cool. It's cool marketing. I think it's cool. I'm super afraid of smelling bad, so I have a little perfume. I got these samples from Ulta. This is the Dolce & Gabbana Light Blue. Bringing this just in case. And then I'm filming with my camera right now, but I am bringing my camera bag, which will have these things in it so I can vlog. Like I said, I'm very afraid of smelling bad. I am very passionate about wear some deodorant, people, especially at like conventions, theme parks. So next up, I have some deodorant. Ooh, should I be doing like the influencer thing? Whatever. I have deodorant. And then my last little thing is I have some lip gloss. That is all I am bringing. I would usually bring more snacks. My mom is bringing the water bottles, so she's got that covered. Definitely bring water bottles. You don't want to spend like $1 million on a water bottle. So that's the one thing that I don't have with me today that you definitely need to have on your checklist is a water bottle. Like souvenir cups are great, but you don't want to spend money on like a plastic water bottle. So she's covering that. She's bringing the water bottles tomorrow. And that's pretty much everything that I have. I am going to put my contact case in here with my glasses just in case my eyes start acting up and my contacts are irritating. I'll switch to glasses. What I'm wearing is a baseball hat, an activewear dress, and then sneakers. I'm going to be comfy and cozy. I also want to talk to you guys about makeup. So we're going to get into the tips section of the video. I am clipping this on my dress. I used to be like a full beat kind of girl, full makeup all the time. As I get older, I am not into that. I don't want to do touch-ups all day. I just kind of want to have fun. I have the Kiss eyelash extensions on. I do the overnight serum with them and they stay super well. So I just did a fresh set. They are so good, guys. Last time I was at Epic with my little eyelash clusters, I went on the Star Chasers roller coaster. What is it called? Stardust Racer roller coaster, and they stayed on. So these are good. So let me walk you guys through what I do for my theme park makeup. Easy, breezy, beautiful. I do the Maybelline Tattoo Brow. I'll show you guys. I have to get this on Amazon because stores just don't sell it. It's so good. I peel off my eyebrows. I usually sleep with this on. They're pretty fresh right now. Stays on, waterproof, stays on for days. And then this is what I use instead of foundation. The CeraVe sunscreen, the mineral sunscreen. I love it. For lips and cheeks, I'm absolutely obsessed with this What a Tint and Essence. I put it on my cheeks and my lips, and then I might do a little contour, don't know. I usually put the essence in my bag for a touch-up. It lasts pretty much all day, but like midday I like to touch up my lips because sometimes the inner gets a little worn off if you're eating and drinking, which we will definitely be eating. But that's all I do for makeup. Tinted sunscreen, tint my brows, eyelash extensions, and then the lip tint on the cheeks and the lips. Easy peasy. And it looks so good. You feel so cute. And you don't have to stress about doing touch-ups because it stays so good. If you hear a ruckus in the background, Bruce, my cat, has found a box because I got an Amazon delivery today. So he is jumping in and out of the box. So another tip that I want to share with you guys is the app. So it doesn't matter what theme park you're going to, all of them have apps, and Epic Universe is a brand new theme park. So you are going to want to get the app. We have absolutely no interest in going on Ministry of Magic, the new Harry Potter ride, because I know it's going to make me sick. I know it's going to make my mom sick. So we don't want to go on that. We just want to see the queue. Hopefully we'll be able to do that tomorrow. But you need the app to sign up for the virtual queue, which is how you get into that ride right now. So you're definitely going to want to have the app. You can also see all the show times. You can see the wait, so you can plan out what you're doing next. You can see literally all of the wait times. I remember when I was younger, I'm from Michigan, and we used to vacation here before we moved here, my family and I. And you would have to like see the wait times on like a screen, and the app just makes it so much easier. So get yourself the app. Oh, another thing. So this is not in my bag. This will be in my mom's bag. The charging blocks, the little mobile charging blocks, forget what they're called. Power banks, that's what it is. Bring those because your phone's gonna drain because you're gonna be on the app. You're gonna be doing the wait times and scheduling your day on the app. So make sure you're gonna be using your phone for photos, videos, and the app. Make sure you are bringing a power bank. So my mom has those. She has the water bottles. She's got the power banks. Woo. Another great thing about the app is you can mobile order things. So like my mom and I want to get one of the steak pretzels, from the Burning Blade Tavern. We can mobile order that. So easy. You can mobile order pretty much anything, and it's nice. So get that, do yourself a favor, mobile order. Let's talk about the lines. This park is not open yet. Be prepared to wait. My mom and I can gab. We can wait in an hour line. We can wait in a 90-minute line. We'll probably be doing some weird arm exercises at some point, but we can yap. We have a lot to chat about, so we'll be good. If you need to bring activities, Sudoku, games, download a game on your phone, make sure you have a power bank, be prepared to wait in those long lines. If you can't wait in a line, you might want to get express. I don't personally feel like I need an express pass, especially if I'm going to be there all day. I know I'm going to do everything that I want to do. But, if you don't want to wait in a really long line, it might be something to look into, especially knowing that the lines are going to be long. This is a brand new park. Just prepare for that. Be mentally prepared. My other tips and tricks: stay hydrated. Hydrate. Make sure you have your water. Fill up your water. Drink lots of fluids. It is Florida. If you are not from here, it is hot. Be prepared for any weather. Any weather. I have ponchos. It's not supposed to rain. Just be prepared. It's Florida. It does what it wants, especially in the summer. It can get pretty rainy. Make sure that you take some breaks to cool down. Rest your feet, You don't have to be go sprinting around the park. Take some time to eat a real meal. Treat yourself to some food. Theme park food is expensive, but get something good, Get something good, enjoy it, enjoy your trip, have fun, and remember that the whole point of going to a theme park is enjoying yourself. Enjoy yourself, bring sunscreen, stay hydrated, and just have a good time. My cats are so loud. Anyway, I'm closing off this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to see our epic adventures at the theme parks, please make sure to subscribe. I'm literally so excited, and I can't wait to go with my mom, and I can't wait for you guys to come with us. So until next time, see you guys soon. Bye.